everyone, let's start the project. The white figurine is made of artificial stone and has many fine details. And an important tool is the wet palette. Place the sponge, water, and baking paper in sequence. It keeps the acrylic fresh and maintains the right consistency. Finally, the professional acrylic. The manual provides an approximate mixing ratio. Squeeze out the acrylic in the approximate ratio and mix them thoroughly. Paint the corresponding areas of the figurine like paint by number. Professional acrylic paints have a finer pigment grind. They flow like water but have a high pigment density, which prevents them from covering up the details of the figurine, ensuring a beautiful finish. Applying the paint to the white statue evenly will be a super stress-relieving activity.
A few moments later.
Finally, apply glue dot and stick the diamonds on. And there you go. There are also other color schemes available. You can choose your favorite one. You can also fine-tune the formula. Unleash your creativity, create a unique art collection. Look, Amazon users Moricella Benaim and others have achieved amazing results. Click on the Amazon link now, save exclusive discounts.